Hey, what's going on, guys? I just got home a little early, so I'm about to hop in the shower and try to go downtown real quick so I'll get some footage with this new camera. And I'm like super excited about this camera. I don't know how it is in the lighting, so hopefully it's good. Captures light extremely well. Oh my god. Forgive me, I'm looking to the side. I'm looking at the screen to see how I look. This camera is awesome. I just gotta get used to the weight. But I'm about to go hop in the shower and try to go make something happen. Hopefully I get some nice daylight time of the river walker downtown period. So see you guys in a minute. Alright, vlog world, what up? I just got in the car, as you can see. I hope this lens is a little bit wider though, because I want you to see the background more. But I'm about to go pick up one of my lady friends and my best friend. Y'all know Alante. And we about to go to this listening party. One of my friends, she's an artist, upcoming artist, Fayati, Jamaican artist. Check her out. But yeah, I'm just driving through my neighborhood right now, about to hop on this freeway. So yeah. So I'm in traffic right now a little bit, but I was gonna just pick her up and just go straight to the little event. But I'm about to stop by the Riverwalk so I can get some nice film with this camera to see how it looks. I'm just so excited about this. It's so crazy, man. But yeah, I'm almost at her house, so yeah. All right, guys, here she come. It's my friend right here. I'm gonna lock your ass out. The door is open. You can reach your hand through the thing and open it. Hey, don't be trying. You trying to break in my car?
No.
So what you gotta say to my camera?
Hi.
Hi. That's messed up. Just got to the river walk. What you gotta say? But you know this going on YouTube. You don't gotta say nothing?
No.
That's messed up. Instruction. And what the heck is going? What you think happened over here? Wedding? Prom. Ain't no prom happened over here. How you know? Let me zoom in for the camera. Oh. Y'all look at the zoom. That junk. The zoom is amazing. Well, I can't walk. It's too steady. They all came from prom. What you gotta say? What you gotta say? You don't gotta say nothing? Don't be smiling at the camera. It's your problem.
I can't smile.
I don't like what?
My small boobs.
I'm sorry, but we don't do boobs on this channel. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what you're talking about.
Whatever.
Hey, this camera is heavy as heck holding this up. And then some people got the little Gorilla Pod thing. It's like a stick thing that you put up under there. Riverwalk, doing it because. What you mean? I gotta go to the gym more. Yeah. Just got on the river walk.
Oh, that's my shit.
Right. She's talking about a song over there. They playing music. People behind me. Busting out the vlog. What you got to say? You got that voice, huh? I guess she thinks she got that voice. No. She said she thick. Oh, she thick. She real thick.
Stop it.
What you mean stop it?
Stop it.
Stop. Stop it, nothing. Yeah, hit it. Hey. Sitting on the steps at the GM building. And she's staring at me. That's why I don't like vlogging in public, because she over here staring at me, making it more awkward for me to hold this camera out in public while all these people are around. Like, y'all see that? Hold on. Y'all see that when people around? It's I was trying to zoom in on the people. It still had my head in focus, and they was blurred out. That's funny. Let me show y'all though. You know, just sitting on the GM building, doing it for the vlog. You don't know. White girl right here was smiling at me. You know. Then we got you. Hit the running man for him real quick. Hit the running man. Hit it. There. Look at Got kicked out the Riverwalk because of her. Yes, we did. Yes, we did.
We didn't.
They was like, you gotta go. She taking too much pictures. And then she don't even want to pay me. You gonna pay me? What?
That was all free.
What was free? Ain't nothing free in America. Why you tripping?
Because that fucking book is so ugly.
Hey man, don't be cussing on my vlog. See? We just got to Alante crib and this dude is mad. Alante, what you mad for, B? What you mad for?
Kiddo, suck your mother.
Move your head first, Batty boy.
Open the blood clot door, you pussy boy.
Hey Mike, don't me this shit. Don't me this shit. I might start getting me in a black face. You don't know nothing about this song. You not gonna dance? Not gonna dance? Not gonna dance to this song? You remember Mike?
No, I don't want to talk. So, I know, I'm loud enough. I don't have a problem talking, right? Another thing on the Avenue of Fashion, a lot of business owners come here and we want to do like listening parties on the Avenue, places to go to Detroit. Now, we're going to, on the outside of my building there, that's we're looking to have 500 to 700 people outdoors in Detroit. Roz, Detroit Avenues, is establishing our own paper.
We're doing Detroit Avenues, establishing the paper. We're also putting in the Michigan Chronicle.
Michigan,
and
Atlanta
online.
Daily World,
And Atlanta Daily
Pittsburgh
Post,
Courier,
and all of that.
Chicago Defender.
Yeah.
Michigan. So that's what she has the ability to do right now. So that's
We're
what
doing it now.
I'm sorry, you doing it right now?
But them girl have the same man. Them a cry like a bitch trying to watch that. Them a run like a witch trying to get robbed. On the murder, them blood clot. Can't suffer life for no text talk. Where them a do? Where them a do? Me money fine. We can't come again. Yeah, bring them home again. 7, 8, 9, 10, get come again. But them a go go. Where them a do? Where them a shine? Tomorrow will fly into the sky. From in a borrow, make money buy. Smart every day. Anyway.
Vlog world, we just got out the car, just got down to Royal Oak.
And your 25 viewers.
Man, this dude mad. What you mad
I bet I
for?
forgot. 30 viewers now.
Ooh, doing it for the vlog. You said what, B? Oh, God. Man, so we just walking around Royal Oak. I'm about to get some Blaze Pizza in a minute. You already know how we doing it. Doing it for the vlog. Is it? Alante, say something now. What you gotta say? What you gotta say? No, nobody gotta say nothing but me. It's cool. I ain't even tripping. Yeah, okay. Alante, I'm tired of seeing you in my clips, B.
Well, she got to do it first.
Yes. You're nice right now.
Alante, come here. No problem, dog.
No better than an ass.
Say what I'm gonna do it for now. Man, just suck your man and come out of my face.
Real man don't go on the door before we want.
Real man, they don't care where we come from. Yeah.
Well, I guess that's just the boy.
I don't want water. I want juice. Y'all seen that look she just gave me? It's messed up. Lante, what you gotta say? I told you I want juice, man. Why you bring me juice? She don't even drink water. Tripping.
I could have shot another niggas.
Oh, so you got me water? You got me water and you got you juice?
This is vitamin water. It tastes like water.
Up the damn camera.
Cause I gotta vlog everything here. I didn't know if it was mine or not, dude. Man, so we just came out of Blaze, you feel me? So how was your pizza, Alante? How was your pizza? How was your pizza, man? Alante a little drunk right now. So how was your pizza? How was your pizza?
Not better than Little Caesars.
And she wasting my money. You gonna dance? You gonna dance? You gonna dance with me?
You gotta go in there and dance. They dancing.
About to walk past one of my favorite stores, the pub. I love it. Get that right now, too.
The pub is not a store, stupid.
Whatever, man. I don't care, B. Alright, vlog world. I'm about to end this vlog right here. Had a very productive day testing this camera out.
Like nigga have no
About to go
manners.
home. Lante keep talking.
No, because they have no manners.
Yelling at the back. Oh, see how they this, But they don't know how deep, vlog girl. Wildlife, me say, is it.